I have always been very aware of the tremendous support that has kept me buoyant and me and Grania able through this in practical and non-tangible ways. And I'm really excited to see where it goes next, to continue to hear the feedback from individuals, from audiences about how this unique intersection of biomedical science and within the arts, the different disciplines within the arts that we're integrating, and then my own personal story. I've been very privileged and I've been very lucky to be involved in it, and I've been very lucky. I always remember I've been very lucky to even be here and to be able to articulate it. So I'm excited to see where it goes next.